Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Wayfair affiliate program for home decor referrals, complete guide step by step clearly. To log into the Wayfair affiliate program for home decor referrals, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for the Wayfair affiliate program and press enter. On the home page, look for the login option, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to a new page where you need to enter your credentials. Input your registered email address in the designated field. Next, type in your password in the appropriate box beneath the email address. Double-check your entries to ensure there are no typos. Once you have confirmed your information, look for a button labeled Login or similar. Click on the Login button to access your affiliate dashboard. If you have forgotten your password, locate and click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password if necessary. After logging in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Here, you will find various tools and resources to help promote Wayfair products. Explore sections like performance metrics, promotional materials, and referral links. You are now ready to start promoting Wayfair home decor products through the affiliate program. Maintain your login details in a secure place for future access. Now you can begin referring products and earning commissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.